Okay, here we go. Okay, now you can do your...
Okay, somebody. I got Winnie to sit on.
Oh, they're just attacking you.
There's only so much of me to go around. I know I'm special, but...
Maybe we should have put some treats over here. Who is this trying to find the treats? Is that me, Straw?
I dropped a treat.
And Wendy.
I think it's me, Straw. Stormy stole my treat.
Oh, it's a puppy mob. And that's just hilarious.
I think I'm too special.
I think you got too many treats over there.
Help me.
Oh, she's gonna steal one.
I think I'm dead. No, don't you.
You want me to get those treats for you?
No.
You think you can handle it? Come on, guys. Go through the tunnel.
I wouldn't blame them. I want to eat these.
They smell good. They're bacon. Everybody loves bacon.
Everybody loves
Bacon.
bacon.
Hi.
Will you just leave me alone?
Oh, don't do that trick where you tear them up into fours, little microscopic pieces.
Hey. Stop.
I mean, maybe for the tiny puppies.
North.
Coda.
Coda, calm down.
Hi, Stormy. Hi, such a pretty boy. Yeah.
I can't teach them to sit when they're all swarming around me.
Tell them to sit.
Sit.
See, you got somebody to sit. Briefly. Hi.
Just fell over.
Hi. There's Tempe.
Winnie, sit.
Hi. What are you doing? What are you doing? That little
I'm too
puppy
young to
ninja
die.
move.
I'm too young to die.
Well, this is a pretty boring movie. You haven't even gotten one to sit yet on camera.
It might be boring for you. This is like a fight for survival.
It just looks like a big ol' anthill. Sometimes I just think you enjoy that. About time somebody plays on the piano.
Somebody found the newspaper.
Good.
Windy, sit. Good girl. Good sit. Shiraka, you're already sitting.
Hi. I don't got any treats.
Sit. Good girl. Good sit.
Hi, buddy.
Hi, Roadkill. No, that's Roadkill. No, it's not. That's Sprocket. Which one's Wingnut?
I have no idea. She's talking about the collars. We put collars on them with funny names.
Shirako, are you a Wingnut? Are you a Wingnut? I think Shirako's a Wingnut.
Shirako's a wingnut.
I think Shirako's a Wingnut. Let's see. Are you a Wingnut? Nothing ever goes my way.
Did you get what? One to sit? Two? Maybe three?
Oh, we need to sit twice. Then Tempe to sit. No. Wendy, why do you have to make my life so hard?
She just
What
loves
more
you.
can you take away from me?
She just loves you. They want the treats. They want to sit for them.
Yeah.
Coda's sitting in her lap. He refuses to move. Hi, baby. He's got some staying power there. Oh, no. Oh, man, I got that on. Watch out.
Ew, ew.
Okay, I think we're done.